Morning guys, it is Monday and I am out running some errands. I'm at Kohl's right now, and then I also need to go to Sam's and the UPS store. This is going to be kind of a busy travel week for us. My husband has to go to Minneapolis for work tomorrow and I'm going to go with him, and then we will be home on Friday. Then we turn right around on Saturday and fly to Pittsburgh for the game, the Steelers game on Sunday, and then we fly home on Monday. That's a lot. I am going to vlog the whole thing all together in one vlog just to make it easier. And I will probably, after I run my errands, I'm going to go home and then pack, and I'll show you that. And then just get us ready to go. All right, let's get going. It is too hot for this. Look at my cheeks. Ooh, isn't it supposed to be fall? So I have gone to Kohl's and Sam's and Harris Teeter and vacuumed the car. I'm about to go to the UPS store. I had to go home and have lunch and come back out, but I'm almost done with my errands and then I will start packing. So let's get finished. This is my current situation. I'm back home and I have pulled some clothes. This side is the Minneapolis trip. This side is the Pittsburgh trip. Still need a few more things for this side and then a couple of shirts for that side. I've already packed underwear and socks. That's my husband's jeans and some shorts. And that is underwear and socks for that trip. So let me go upstairs and get my list, compare it to what I've got, pull out more stuff, and see where I'm at. So now I've got everything I think we're gonna need laid out on the bed. Got my blow dryer, flat iron, brush, all that stuff. Those are some tennis shoes, my raincoat, workout clothes, a hat, some slippers. I have 2 long sleeve shirts and 2 short sleeve shirts. The weather says one day it's going to be 80 degrees and every other day it's going to be like 53. So I'm not sure whether or not to believe it. So I'm taking short sleeve and long sleeve just in case. An extra pair of jeans, pajamas, and then that is my bras and underwear. Then over here we have an umbrella, my husband's work shoes, our liquids, our dry toiletries, and then my makeup in that little one. These are his jeans and extra pair of shorts. These are his t-shirts he can change into at night and lounge around in the hotel. This is his raincoat. This is his dress socks, regular socks, underwear, belt, that kind of stuff. These are his work clothes. 2 dressy shirts and then a pair of black pants. And then this is our power strip for charging. And then down here I have some packing cubes that I'm gonna put all these clothes in, and then the pouch that this camera goes in that I'm using. And the plan is to put it in these 2 carry-ons. I have this black CalPack carry-on and then this green CalPack carry-on that I have not used yet. It has a kind of a cool feature. It has a USB plug right here, and then there's a pouch inside to put a external battery, and then it's easy to take out if they make you check the bag. So got that at TJ Maxx, so I'm excited to use it. All right, so in this suitcase, all of his clothes are in this packing cube, and then these are my tennis shoes right here. And then on this side, he has all of his underwear and socks, all of my underwear and socks, his raincoat, and then our dry toiletries. And then in my suitcase, all of my clothes are in this packing cube, and then these are his work shoes. And then on this side, You have my hair dryer and brush and stuff, and then this is my makeup, and then our liquids, and then my hat. And this is the pouch that the battery charger goes into. So you just put it in here and attach it to this, attach it to this cord. So you can see how easy it is to take it out if you have to check this bag. I think the only thing I have left to do now is pack my personal item. Okay, here is what I'm gonna pack in my personal item. A book, this camera and the bag that it goes in, all my chargers, headphones, my laptop, Dramamine, gum, a tripod, Kleenex, some snacks, and then that bag has all of my laptop stuff, like my external hard drive and a mouse and a pen, I think is in there. And then I'm gonna put everything into this like convertible. It's a backpack, or you can carry it like a tote. All right, mission accomplished. We are all packed and ready to go. I'm gonna get some sleep and I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys, and welcome to the first of 4 travel days this week. We need to leave here in about 15 minutes for the airport, so let's go to Minneapolis.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Minneapolis. The local time is 3:03. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and keep the aisles clear while sharing your items.
It's around 8 o'clock and Mark has already gone to work for the day, so I'm on my own till about 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna go downstairs and work out and then get ready for the day, try to get out of housekeeping's hair so they can clean the room. And then I'll probably go explore the city a little bit. There's a mall down the street that I was gonna walk to, and I'll probably get some lunch while I'm out. So let's get this day started. And if anyone is curious where we stay when we're in Minneapolis, we stay at the Renaissance Depot Hotel, and it looks like it is at the corner of South 2nd Street and South 3rd Avenue. It's a really nice hotel, and it is close to where my husband works. Okay, workout, check, shower, ready for the day. Gonna have to pull myself away from the Hallmark Channel and get out into the city. It looks like kind of a cruddy day. It's supposed to be like really warm, and then it's supposed to like thunderstorm and then get really cold. So, guess I'll have to prepare for anything. morning, guys. It is Thursday. The plan for today is to take the light rail to the Mall of America. Just kind of want to see what that's all about. The problem is it's about 10:20 and I've kind of been waiting for it to warm up, but it's still like 39 degrees, I think. And all I brought was that pink hoodie. I didn't bring a coat, so I'm gonna have to brave the chill, the 3-block walk to the light rail. So let's get going. This bag is a great idea for a carry-on because it's a tote, then you pull these straps, makes a backpack. I don't know how comfortable those straps would be, but good idea. That was definitely poor planning on my part. I took the light rail to the Mall of America this morning and everything was fine. It took about 30 minutes to get there from downtown. And then on the way home, I went to take the light rail again, got to the airport, and apparently Air Force One was landing and the trains couldn't go through the airport. So they had to put us on a bus. We had to drive around the airport. And then we had to get back on the train and come into town, and there were a lot of delays. So what should have been a 30-minute trip took about an hour and a half. So I'm very tired now. But we leave Minneapolis at like 7 in the morning. So I'm gonna need to start pre-packing all of our stuff because there's gonna be little time in the morning for any of that. And we need to take the train again to the airport. So probably have to leave here about 4:45, 5 o'clock. So I gotta get to work.
The president will get back on Air Force One and fly to Rochester for a rally at the Mayo Civic Center against.
And that's why it took forever to get home. Good afternoon, guys. We are back home in Charlotte. We left our hotel room this morning about 4:30 and then took the light rail to the airport, and our flight left around 7. And then we got to Charlotte a little before 11 o'clock. So we've gone and eaten lunch, and now I just need to deal with the unpacking and repacking situation. I would just like to lay down here and take a nap, but that is not in the cards for me. I've already started pre-packing our stuff that you probably saw earlier in the video. So I just need to unpack what we've got here. This is my current situation. I'm just unpacking and then I'm gonna do laundry and then repack. So hopefully, since we won't have a lot of the stuff that we took for like working, we might be able to do it all in just one carry-on, and it's only for 2 days. So let's get to work. Okay, so I'm packing again, this time for Pittsburgh. We leave tomorrow, which is Saturday, come back on Monday. So only 2 days. So I have t-shirts for me, t-shirts for my husband, an extra pair of shorts for him, extra pair of jeans for me, underwear, bras, socks, and then pajamas, and then underwear and socks for my husband. His pajamas are in the dryer. They're almost done. I'm gonna try to fit in this suitcase that we used this week. And then I just have charging cables, toiletries, makeup, power strip, laundry bag, blow dryer and stuff. And then all of this we took to Minneapolis. I just replenished and I'm just going to pack it right back in the bag again. And then this is my clear bag for the stadium. All right, all done with packing. All of our clothes are in this one packing cube. Terrible towels, laundry bag, power strip is down in there. And then over here is just all of the toiletries, my clear bag for the stadium. I put my makeup in it just to kind of protect it. Our chargers, and then our underwear and stuff is right here in this middle section. So we are ready to go in the morning. I think I'm going to go to bed a little early, try to get some more sleep than last night.
Seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off, and keep the aisle clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pockets for personal items like tablets and cell phones. Calling 412-255-13